guys, this is Wyatt from Bucks for Brains, tuning in for another YouTube video. We just got Smart Boy, I guess. Hunter, move. We don't want to see your big face. Wait, where did they disappear to? Who knows? Okay, Smart Boy went under that crack. Chicken? Chicken? I wish I could. Chicken? Doc? Who are you? Are you, I think you're chill. Okay. By the way, guys, this is Down on the Farm Yard Part 3. We got the goats. PP. Okay. We took down the pool, just so you know. We got some nasty pool water. Let's see. We're about to repaint the deck. We got some swings over there. Here comes Sneezy. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, even if I've already told you. Good and bye.